Okay, we're back at camp with our rental car, and it rains. Raining. And thundering. You can hear the thunder. You can see the lightning. But I think clear skies are coming because it's kind of bright over the other way. And we don't have our nice neighbors anymore to offer us their beautiful camper home in case it got too horrible windy, which is kinda. But we'll get through. Say hello, hubby. No, he's not talking right now.
What?
Say hello. Okay, I'll leave you with a picture of the dog who is semi-happy. Okay, we love you guys. Bye.